Hello everyone, it's Mozario here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we're working on a bathroom faucet for this tutorial. So, I hope you all have been tuning in and just keeping along with the process. It's simple. We're just following three views. We're just working on three views, which would be side, top, and front view, since this is a pretty simple object, as you can see, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to continue. Now we're at the part now where we're going to throw in this stem here where water comes out. It's pretty easy. I want to show you all how to do this. This is fairly easy. All right, so we're in this, we're going to go to right side view. We're going to create a sketch. Okay, we're going to create a sketch on this plane. All right, what that's going to allow us to do, we can even go as far as to take out this body, make it invisible. So you go over to bodies, you click on the little eyeball, make it invisible. So you're not having to necessarily worry about drawing through the object. Now we're going to use fit point spline, and we're going to start here and go up. Okay, and then we're going to do a straight line here. Okay, now we're going to alter the line for this, and let's see. The way you do that, you can use, I'm using the Windows operating system, so I'm be using hotkeys, but I wanted to let you all know what system I'm using. For iOS or for Mac, whatever, I'm not 100% sure what some of the hotkeys will be. Some of them may be the same depending on what you're doing, but anyway, I'm using hotkeys. When you press M on the keyboard after clicking on a point, it's going to bring up the option to move. And you can move the points, manipulate them how you want. So we're going to do that. Okay. All right. Going to bring this back. Okay. There we go. All right. So that's that. Now we're going to finish the sketch. And we're going to go into pipe. So if you click on create, you click on pipe, you click on the line. So you see it gives you a pipe going along that line. And it's the path is based on this line that you created as a sketch. Now we want to alter the thickness of the line. We'll make it hollow. We choose hollow in the menu on the right, so you can manipulate the thickness of the pipe as well. So the section size right now is at 0.1 inches. We want it thicker because what we're aiming to do is to make it roughly the thickness of the line drawing. So we're going to do that. Okay, we're going to go up. So we're going to choose 3/4 inch. It's a little big. We're going to do, I guess that'll do, somewhere around there. So we're looking at 0.6 for the thickness. Okay. Now for the section thickness, or the thickness of the wall, it's a little thick. If you look there, it's a little crazy looking. So we're going to do maybe, we'll say 50 thousandths of an inch. There we go. I think that's decent. All right, you want to press OK, and now you've created your stem. The pipe, whatever the stem. We use the pipe function because it's just easy. So there it is. When you bring back your body, now it's going to run into the body you created, right? So what we want to do to make this one body, or to make it more cohesive, you want to go up, we're putting in isometric mode. So you just click on the little house icon, do like that. You can take out the canvas for a second, make it invisible so you can see what's going on. We're going to combine. We're going to see how this works. You go up to the tabs here, click on combine. We're going to combine this body with this body, join, and now it's one body. Now when you join it, you see it conforms to the fillets and everything that you put in. If we hadn't done that, it wouldn't look as cohesive, honestly. And see, when you combine bodies like that, it allows for, you know, more manipulation too. Like when you go to, at the end of the tutorial, we're going to choose a material to make this out of. Most likely it's going to be brass. And it just makes everything look better when it's all combined versus separate entities for bodies. So you see, it even has a line in there, everything. It's got like a little line of separation. So there you have it. So it's literally that easy, and then you manipulate the views. You see, got that going on, and there you have it. So it's literally that easy. Now we have the body, we have the stem for the water to come out of, and we're in pretty good shape. So I thank you all for tuning in. We're going to work on the handle next. The handle, it could be, I mean, you still want it to be cohesive with the rest of the design, but looking at the front view, like the top view, front view, side view, and everything, it's a pretty simple handle. So I'm gonna show you all how to do that, and in the next segment of this tutorial. I thank you all for joining in. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for the notifications so you can stay in touch with what's going on the channel and things. And we want to keep this series going. Look forward to you all joining in. Thank you.